Hey guys, today's video is going to be my Boxycharm for the month of July. I just got it today, so I'm super excited. Let's just go ahead and get into it. So the theme this month is all natural. So the very first thing in the box is this Elements Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. It says, get a shot of green goddess with this treatment mask that nourishes, smooths, and brightens for softer, smoother, more radiant skin. Apply the mask twice weekly on cleansed skin. A slight tingling may occur while the mask works its magic. Remove after 10 minutes with a dark, damp cloth. Why does it have to be dark? I don't know. I actually did just cleanse my skin and I didn't apply any moisturizer or anything because I wasn't sure exactly what the claims were on this, but I'm just gonna go ahead and start putting it on. This retails for $35. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It looks like a thick moisturizer. It smells pretty good. It smells like, I don't know, it smells earthy. I feel a little something. It almost feels not cooling, but I get what they're saying by the tingling sensation. It doesn't exactly feel tingling to me, but you know, whatever. I am going to let this sit for 10 minutes. I'll be right back. All right guys, it has been 10 minutes and I'm back. Obviously the mask does not dry down or anything, so it's still wet or whatever. I'm gonna go ahead and just wipe it off, and it also does feel tingly. It has like a minty like quality, you know what I mean? That's the vibe I'm getting from it. My skin feels like really nice and moisturized. It feels a little like tacky almost. I don't know if I should apply my regular moisturizer now. I don't know, I think I'm just gonna skip that. I like it, you know, for what it is. I don't think I would purchase it myself for $35. I'm gonna go ahead and finish putting on most of my makeup and then we'll finish up the rest of the products in the box. The next product in the box, this is the Butter London Natural Goddess Eyeshadow Palette. First of all, I love the packaging. Like, how beautiful is that? I love the like wood look and then the glossy elements to it. This is what it looks like. It's really pretty. It's a unique color palette, I think. It looks like these three are like satiny colors and then these two are mattes. There's not really a transition shade in there, but we're gonna make it work. This retails for $32. I'm just so used to ColourPop prices. I feel like that seems expensive to me. I'm also gonna go dip into the Luxie Gaia 3-piece brush set. It comes in this cute cardboard packaging. Wow, these brushes are really pretty. You get one foundation brush, a large eye blending brush, and then a precision crease brush, which is what this is, but that's not what I would use this for. I don't use these types of brushes for foundation usually. If I do, it's just to paint the foundation on my face, which I don't do a whole lot, but you know, they feel really high quality, and then the handle is just beautiful. It's got that pink wood. So I'm just gonna zoom in and do a look like I usually do. Before mascara, I did use the entire palette, which I was impressed with myself for using it all. I really like this palette. I was really impressed with the blue shade right here. This is a really nice shade. It was very pigmented and very easy to blend out. I will say This one, the brown shade, I did have to build it up a little bit more to get that deep color, but that doesn't really bother me just because like I would rather have to build it up than it be too pigmented and not blendable. I thought this green shade was very unique. It got lost in the crease once I started doing the other colors, so I did add it a little bit down here, and I think it makes a really nice touch. This shade, as you saw, I used for highlighter, and that is beautiful as a highlight. And it's a brow bone highlight, so I really love that. It's very smooth. There is a good bit of kick up on these shadows, but you know, that doesn't bother me. As far as these brushes go, I know I only use the one, but I'm never let down by Luxie brushes. It was really easy to pack on the gold shade with, and they just feel really nice, so I know I'm gonna like these and continue to use them. The brush set retails for $30. The next product in the box is this Appeal Gel Liner. It says line and define your eyes or lips with your new Appeal Gel Liner. Okay. Eyeliner retails for $21. So I hope this is not like a dud product, because you know how sometimes they do that, just like give you this random product and then it's not very good. Oh, I hate when they wrap it like this because I cannot get it open. I wish they would put this in like paper packaging or something, just not plastic. Like, not only is it hard to get off, but I mean, it's unnecessary plastic, then we're just throwing it away. I got this in the shade Deep Taupe, so I'm just gonna line my eyes with that. Wow, it actually showed up. I was actually expecting to hate it. Obviously, I don't know what the wearing power of this is like yet, but I'm actually impressed with this. It was really creamy and it didn't hurt. That's what the swatch looks like right there. It's just a nice brown, and it's nice to have a brown liner. The last product in the box is this Ofra Liquid Lip. We've gotten these in the box a couple of times. This is the shade Santorini. Do a nail lip liner from this. Let's just go for it. Ofra Liquid Lipsticks have such a unique smell. This retails for $28. This is a dried up matte, so it must be one of their metallic ones, which we've gotten before. I thought I was gonna not love this color, and it's not very wearable, but I have a pretty neutral eye on, and I don't feel like it looks bad, so I actually really like it. And this highlight from that eyeshadow is everything. The overall value of the box was over $130, so that's great. I actually feel like this box was a pretty good box. On occasion I can be disappointed by the boxes, but this one I actually really like. My favorite thing in the box is probably this eyeshadow palette, which honestly caught me by surprise. I did know we were getting an eyeshadow palette, but I tried to not look and see what it was. This is just like such a pretty palette, and I used these like satin shades in my crease, and I definitely would continue to do that, because I mean, my eyes, they just look like so glowy and natural. Not really natural, but like natural smoky. I don't know. I did like the Luxie brush that I used. Like I said, Luxie brushes never let me down, and this just feels so soft. I do love Over Liquid lipsticks. This color is a little bit out of my comfort zone, but they're so comfortable. Such a good formula, so I do like that we got this, even if the color isn't something I'm gonna wear a lot. But it's nice to have colors like this in your collection for when you're feeling a little feisty, you know what I'm saying? That is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! A lot of times on occasion I'm boys! Stop it! Boys!